So we are finding the range. So in that now we'll see this now. We are finding the range now. We are going to see the next example, that is quadratic by quadratic. So that is f of x. Let's say f of x equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. So what is its domain? First of all, domain means x value. No, x value. What can be
సార్
x
అది
value?
రూట్ లో అయిపోయిందా?
So domain, what is domain? X value. X value can be any real number. X can take any real number because denominator can never be 0 for any x value. So you can take x value, any real number you can take, right? So now step 1, to find out the range. So what is range now? Range is step 1, what you should take? Y. Let y equal to what? Y equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. This is the first step. So second step is you have to get quadratic equation, that is yx square plus y equal to x square minus 1. Third step is what? Quadratic. Second step, quadratic equation, right? This second step, quadratic equation, yx square minus x square, this is plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is what? If you take y minus 1 x square, this becomes y plus 1. Now third step is what? X is real. X is real. That means roots are real. Roots are real. Roots are real means delta greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. B square minus 4ac. What is B square? Here x coefficient, that is 0. 4 ac.
Sir, second step, once again, please.
X coefficient is not there. Therefore, B square means 0 square minus 4 a c 4ac. B square minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So what I can write, this is now minus 4. This is a is 4ac. I am writing like this, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, if I divide by 4, divide by minus 4. If you divide by minus 4, what will happen? So sign will change. This side minus 4 get cancelled, sign will change. Y plus 1 into y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0 means less than or equal to 0 means lies between the roots. What are the roots? Minus 1 to 1. So therefore, what is the here range is minus 1 to 1. When do we get minus 1? That you have to check now. Now this equal to minus 1 do we get? Yes, minus 1. When do we get this minus 1? When x is 0. X square minus x equal to minus x square minus 1. I am cross multiplying. I am checking when x square minus 1 by x square plus 1, when this will become minus 1. So this minus 1 gets cancelled. 2x square equal to 0. X equal to 0. When x is 0, f of 0 is minus 1. Yes. Then when do we get plus 1? That is f of x equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Do we get this one equal to 1 value? 1 here what we got is here y value. That means expression value. This value is from minus 1 to 1. Now I am checking whether minus 1 and 1 also we get or not. So minus 1 we are getting for x equals 0. Plus 1 do we get or not? X square minus 1 equal to x square plus 1. So x value whatever you put also minus 1 equal to plus 1 you get. So this is not possible. Therefore, this one won't be there. So what is the range? Now range you need to check is from minus 1 to plus 1 only. We'll go to next model. What is the next model? Third, model 3. What is this model? F of x equal to under root of p of x, polynomial, under root polynomial x. So this is f of x equal, let's take under root of, this is x square minus 9, or f of x equal to x square. This kind of questions, or f of x equal to under root of x minus 1. This kind of questions. So what is the range? How do you find range? So range, how do you find? First question, very, very simple. These are all questions very, very simple. This is 1, 2, 3. So first question. So here First to domain. What is domain? You tell me. Domain is very simple. What is domain? How do you find domain? X square minus 9 must be greater than or equal to 0. That is how we find. That means here x square, that means x square must be greater than or equal to 9. X square must be greater than or equal to 9. So x square is greater than or equal to 9. When x is greater than 3, yes, possible. X is greater than 3, if x is greater than 3, then x square is greater than 9. X is less than minus 3, minus 4 also, this is also okay, no problem. So that means x value is minus infinity to minus 3 union 3 to infinity. So range, now you have to find out the range. How do you find the range? How do you find the range? That means you have to start with, you have to put the values. X value, if you put 3, it becomes 0. If you put x value 4, it is more than 0. So like that, 0 to infinity is what you get. Range is simply like this, you have to find. Next, second question. What is the range? Second question. Here root of x square is there. Okay, this root of x square value, if you put x is 0. Okay, if you put x value 0. If you put x value 0, then what you get? You get 0. Okay, so that means you will get 0 or positive you get. Square root cannot be negative. So what is the range? Range becomes close 0 to infinity. So for third question also you can see what is the range? Under root of x minus 1. Here also what is the range here? This also 0 to infinity. This also belongs to 0 to. If you put x equal to 1, it is 0. If x is more than 1, then you get more value. That is all the positive values you get. So these all questions are like this only. And of course I will give more. So under root of, let's say under root of here x square minus 3x plus 2. What is this value? What is the range of this? Okay, this one can be written like this, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, if you take x equal to 2, if you take x equal to 2, it is 0. If you take x is more than 2, then what you get? You will get all the real numbers. This also, range is for this also, what is the range? Range is 0 to infinity. Okay,
Sir,
now I am giving another example. Under root of 9 minus x square. What is its value? So now for this, what you need to find out is, first you need to find out the domain. To find out the range, first you need to find out domain. How do you find domain? 9 minus x square is always greater than or equal to 0. That is x square minus 9 must be less than or equal to 0. If I multiply minus negative on both sides, minus sign. If I multiply with minus on both sides, sign will reverse. Minus 9 plus x square. Minus 9 plus x square. Sign will reverse. So here what are the roots then? Plus or minus 3. Less than means lies between the roots. Already we discussed lies between the roots. What are the roots? Minus 3 to 3. So like this it is. Minus 3 to 3. Okay, minus 3 to 3. This is what domain. Domain means x value. X value is minus 3 to 3. Minus 3 to 3 is the domain. Okay. So then what is the range? What is the range? Minus 3 to 3 is the domain. Okay. All right. What is range? So here x value cannot be more than 3. X value cannot be more than 3. So if x value cannot be more than 3, then x value is, now here, if you know x value, then you can find out f of x value. So here range, how do you find range? One simple way of understanding is 0 to 3, 0 to minus 3. If you take 0, what is that you get? Maximum you can take is, maximum if you take 3. If you take 3 or minus 3, what you get? F of 3 or minus 3? You get 0. Minimum what you can take, x value, minimum what you can take is, you can take 0. f of 0, what you get is 3. So therefore, what you get range? Range is simply, what you get is, you get a 0 minimum. This minimum, you have to get minimum. Very minimum means what? X value, if you take 9 now, you will get minimum, that is 0. If you have to get maximum value, what is the maximum value you get? To get maximum value, x you have to put 0. If you put x is 0, this is root 9 is 3. So this is only range. This is range. This is one way. Okay, or another way is to find out range is the process. What is that? You know x value is minus 3 to 3. Already you learned this is. X lies between minus 3 to 3 because domain you know. Domain is minus 3 to 3. Now if you square, this is important. When you square 0 to 3 also, all right, mute your audio. Okay, then if x lies between, we know x value. Now we have to find out f of x value. X value lies between minus 3 and 3. Then x square lies between 0 and 9 because x cannot be negative. When you square, then maximum you get is 3 square 9. Minimum you get is 0 only because it cannot be negative. So this is, so what I want is x square, 9 minus x square I want. So here what I should do is I have to put minus x square. I want minus x square. If I put minus 0 greater than or equal to minus x square greater than or equal to minus 9. What happened here? When I put minus sign, minus, if I multiply minus, sign will reverse. When I put minus sign will reverse. Now what I should do? I have to add 9. 9 minus x square is what I want. Okay, 9 minus 0 is greater than or equal to 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. This one what I can write? 0 less than or equal to 9 minus x square less than or equal to 9. What I want? Root I want. If I put root 0 less than or equal to root of 9 minus x square, which is less than or equal to root 9. This is 0 less than or equal to, this is f of x less than or equal to 3. That means f of x lies between 0 and 3. So this is the process. Process is you find the domain. After finding the domain, what you should do? You have to take the domain. What is the domain? Minus 3 to 3. Then find out the range. That means you know the x value. If you know x, how do you find x square? You square on both sides. If you square both sides, then what will happen? Minus 3 whole square is 9. 3 square also 9. But that means maximum is 9. Minimum you get is what? 0. X minimum of x square value 0. So this is important step. So 0 to 9. Then what I want? Minus x square. So multiply minus. Then what I want? 9 minus x square. Then root of 9 minus x square. So to find out root of 9 minus x square, I started with x, then x square, then minus x square, then 9 minus x square. So then root of 9 minus x square. So then I got 0 to 3.